Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make my infamous watermelon bralette. So just a little bit of a backstory. This was the first pattern that I ever made by myself and I fell in love with it from the very beginning. It's super easy, super simple. Like I said, in today's video, we will be making the watermelon bralette and this is what it looks like. Yes, I finally did the tutorial on this and I have it here for you guys, so I hope you guys really enjoy and just have fun with it. You can make solid colors using this pattern. You can make this and add scallops to it like a border, and it'll look so cute. So let's get started. Also, I forgot that I wanted to say this usually fits a B or C cup. I'm a C cup and it fits me. They are adjustable, so they crisscross in the back. It gives the girls a lot of support and makes the melons look really good. In today's video, we're going to be using the sugar and cream. We're not going to be using this color. We're going to be using this red, white, and then this green color down here in today's video. You're going to need a 3.5 millimeter hook and some scissors. So as you know, we're going to go ahead and make our slip knot. So as always, make it however you like to make your slip knots. The way I do it is I wrap my yarn around two of my fingers. I grab my hook, insert it under the first loop, grab the second loop, and I pull it up. Make sure to tighten it onto your hook, and we're going to do 11 chains. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 chains. Next, we're going to do single crochets all the way down in each chain. So you're going to work into the first chain, which is this one here. Single crochet. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. You have 2 loops again, yarn over, pull through both of them. So just keep doing that all the way down until we reach the end. Okay, so here we are at our last 2. So here's 1, and then this last one. Don't forget about this last one. I know it's hard to see sometimes, but just wiggle your way in there and pull through. So now that we're at the top and we did our single crochets all the way down, what we're going to do is we're going to do 2 more single crochets into this same stitch that we just worked our last one into. So we're going to do a total of 3. So we did 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then now our work is upside down. So now we're going to want to work into each hole that there is here. So sometimes it could be a little hard to see, but there's 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and you're going to do single crochets into each one. So here's the first one, the second one, here is the third one, right here. And then also work into this one down here. It's really hard to see, but just kind of poke your hook through that last one. You see that last one there? That very last one up here? That's the one that we just worked into. Okay. So don't worry, it does look a little weird right now, but it's all right. So now we're going to chain 1 and we're going to turn our work. This is the first one that we work into. So we're going to do a single crochet into this one here. So we're going to crochet all the way up as we have been until we reach this one up here. Okay, so we've done single crochets all the way up. So I'm at the top here and we're going to do 3 single crochets into this stitch up here. So we're going to do 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to do single crochets all the way down. Here we are at the end, and don't forget this last stitch down here that we need to do. So here's the last stitch at the bottom that you don't want to forget. So just do a single crochet, and then we're going to chain 1 and turn, and we're going to do the exact same pattern. So we're going to do single crochets all the way until the top here. We're going to do 3 single crochets into this one, and then we're going to do single crochets all the way down, chain 1, single crochets, 3 single crochets into the top, and then that's the pattern we're going to keep doing. So we're going to keep doing it for about 10 to 12 rows. It depends on the cup size that you need, but about 10 to 12 rows of this, and then I'll meet you guys at the end. Okay guys, so we're about halfway through. We have done 6 rows, so each one of these hourglass kind of figures is 2 rows. So there's 2, 4, we've done 6 rows. So we're about halfway through. I do 11 rows and that fits me. I'm a C cup. It could fit a B cup as well, and they're very supportive. So just keep on going with the pattern, and I'll meet you guys when we're done with it. We are finishing row 12 right now, so if you count, there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and we're on the 12th row here. So we have 2 more. So 1, 2, and then now our bralette is upside down, or our cup, shall I say, is upside down, and we're going to start going into each of these down below. So you're going to want to single crochet 1 more so that you're kind of upright, if you can tell. So we kind of like curved around here. And then the next one that we're going to go into is this one here. I don't really have a specific way of going into these stitches down here. I kind of just poke my hook through random areas that look kind of, you know, right. So I just do single crochets all the way down, and I kind of just put my hook, like I said, in random places, to be quite honest. So just keep doing this all the way down. And once you're actually doing the project, it's easier to see these spots because you can see that there's like a spot here and then here. So once you're actually doing the project, I think you'll understand a little bit easier. And then I just go into this first stitch over here on the other side. I cut my yarn, and then I just pull everything. Here's our other cup. And now what I do to make the crisscross straps, as you saw in the thumbnail photo, so your hook is up here in the top stitch. You pull the yarn through. So you just make the knot there. We'll weave in that end later. Insert your hook again, yarn over, pull through, and then you're just gonna start chaining. So I do 150 chains. So I'll meet you guys at the end. So here's one side, and then off camera I did do the other side as well, so I have both sides ready. And next we're gonna do the white part. on the bottom. And remember, we did do this already. Slip knot onto your hook, and we're going to chain 15. So I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now you're going to want to grab one of the cups, and you're going to want to start on the end with the tail so that you can weave it in as you go. So you're just going to attach it there at the end, and you're going to want to do single crochets all the way across the top of this. So I did the first one. Here's the second one. And we are just doing one row of this white. Okay, so now I'm at the end of this first cup. There's one more stitch that I need to do here. And then we're going to chain 3. We're going to grab our other cup at the tail end here. Bring the yarn that you're working with to the back. And then go ahead and continue with your single crochets all the way across this cup as well. And I'll meet you guys at the end. So here we are at the second cup now at the end, and we're just going to do our last single crochet into this one, and then we're going to do 15 chains. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now we just did our 15 chains, and we're going to change colors to the green. As you can see, I added the green here. I literally just do a knot, and then I just continue with the next row. So now I'm just going down that same white path, and I'm just continuing now to do single crochets. So I'm just doing single crochets. Sorry, it's a little hard for me to keep it in frame because the bottom half is a lot heavier, but just keep going down the white all the way down and single crochet until you get to the end, and I'll meet you guys there. Okay, so now I've done one row of green all the way down. Don't mind all the ends. We're obviously going to weave those in at the end. So we've done one row of the green, and now we're going to chain 1, and we're going to do our last row of single crochets, and this is going to be in the green again. So just go ahead, single crochet all the way down, and I'll meet you guys at the end of our project. Okay guys, so we finished our watermelon bralette. So we did both of the cups. We did one row of single crochet at the bottom, 2 rows of green single crochet at the bottom, and we weaved in all of our ends, and we have our strap. So all you have to do is pull the straps on the opposite side of each end through here at the end here. So it makes a crisscross back, and it's very supportive. So we're all done, and you guys have finished your first watermelon bralette. Thank you guys for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I see different edges on this pattern. I hope you guys just make it your own, and even if you make the watermelon one, I can't wait to see it. I hope you guys enjoyed this project, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Just a little heads up as well, our next video will be a pineapple coaster, so look out for that. Summer is officially here, and we are excited. Have a good day. Bye guys.